Hello and welcome to Aussie Math. In this video, we're going to be having a look at how we can name and write the fraction names when we're given numerals like these fractions here. So the first one has a 1 and then a line and then a 2 on the bottom. So 1 over 2. This 2 on the bottom, this tells us that it's 2 equal parts. And when it has 2 equal parts, we know that's called halves. And this number on the top tells us that we've got one of them. So we could write that one as 1 half. The next one has 1, but this time it's got a 6 on the bottom. So when it has a 6 on the bottom, we know those pieces are called sixths. We could write it as 1 sixth. So it has the number 6 and then th on the end. Most fractions will do that. It's only halves, thirds, and quarters that have a slightly different name. The next one is 1/3, and we write it like this: 1/3. And the next one's very similar. It's still thirds, but this time we've got 2 of them. So we say 2/3. 2/3. This one we've got a 3 and a 4, so it's 3, and when we've got 4 on the bottom, we call them quarters. 3 quarters. I can fit it in there. Quarters is what we call whenever we have a 4 on the bottom. We don't call them fourths, we call them quarters. It's just a language thing. So notice with all of these, when it's got a 2 on the top, it says 2 first. When it's got a 3 on the top, it says 3 first. When it's got a 2. So this number on the top tells us how many of the parts, and this bottom number tells us what they are. So 3 is thirds, 4 is quarters, 5 is fifths, 6 is sixths. And that's really all there is to it. So in this one here, we've got a 6 and an 8 and an 8. So we say 6 6/8ths. 6/8ths. And the last one has 4. And again, they're eighths. So just remember, whenever you want to name and write fraction names, the number on the top tells us how many pieces we have. So we start with that. Let's say 4. And the bottom number tells us how big the pieces are. So that's eighths. 4, it's quarters. 3, it's thirds. And 2, it's halves. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe because we're making new content all the time. And feel free to jump over to our website where there's heaps of activities that are going to help you along your maths learning journey. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.